4 wheels. Good morning everyone. This is our first day here back in Calgary. Ayan, ang lamig na. It's September 5th pa lang, pero malamig na. We're gonna have breakfast. Dito kami magbe-breakfast. So, nandito na kami. We're going to choose our breakfast. And Nilly's. Masarap dito mag-breakfast. Madaming options. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Local owned and operated. Here we go. Yan. Ang ganda ng place. Dati maliit lang siya. And now it's big now. It's pretty. Simple lang. Sarap ng kape. So this is our breakfast. A poached egg and avocado toppings. And this is regular. It's yummy. So, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. We're going to the grocery store. Grab something. Ayun, may araw na. The sunshine now. Ang lamig. Hindi na kami sanay sa lamig. Na-miss namin yung yung summer dito. Natagalan kami bago nakaalis ng Panama. So, ayun. Malamig na for us. Kasi sa Panama, maganda yung weather doon. Ayan, pupunta kami ng grocery at mamimili kami. Ayun. Hey! Ayun na ang train. Shipping. Matagal yan. Ilang minuto yan bago matapos yung train na yan. So, yung building na to, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng building na to. Lamig na talaga, promise. Ugh. Yeah, tapos na rin. Good. Yeah, here in Co-op. Dito kami laging nag-grocery kasi ito yung pinaka malapit sa aming place. Ang ganda mamili dito. So, this is the prices here. Tomatoes, 3.69 per pound. Ayan, kukuha lang ako ng konti. Hindi pa namin alam but we have to cook. Kasi we stay here for 2 months. We can order food for delivery if you want. But I prefer to cook sometimes. Not sometimes, most of the time. Pag weekend lang ako nag-agree na mag-order outside kasi I love to cook and gusto ko yung luto ko. Gusto ni Habi ng luto ko. I mean, diba napakalaking grocery store dito. Ang ganda dito mamili. That's why I love to do my grocery here. Yan, sige. Grocery muna ako, guys. Ang kanilang pipino mahaba. Ayan. Ito ang presyo ng lemon dito. 69 cents each. Oh my God. Sa Panama guys, napakadami naming puno ng lemon. Hindi ko na alam magagawin kaya pinapamigay ko na lang sa mga friends ko. Dito lahat binibili. Ayan. So ito na ang aming napamili. Yeah, this is what we bought. Our grocery for today. Ang dami. We didn't have car today, so we'll see how we carry all of it. Nagtataya ng luto si my loves. Okay, we're done. So we're now walking, going back to our place. This is what I really love to do, shopping with Kat, because his wheelchair can carry a lot of groceries than I do. Ayan.